Morning guys. Okay, the work continue. Let's see how many parts can we have undercoat on today. Okay, I think it's about covered. Okay, my friends, is now busy with cowling. This is the first layer of red oxide. They say you must put more than one coat on. Lightly first, and then we proceed. Okay guys, I will proceed with all the sides and bring you back. Okay, now we can start with the tank. Okay, that's the first coat. And now we can put the second coat on the cowling. It is a matte finish when it is dry. Okay, I think that is enough for the cowling. Okay guys, this is the starting mechanism of this morning. So will it get its coat now, its final coat? This is, I will show you, it is metallic cast iron. Okay, let's go. Can you see the blinkers? Okay, I will turn it around now and bring you back. Okay, what you can see, because I can't see anything on the screen, but I will in any case quickly finish it up, and then we continue with the red on the cowlings. Okay guys, this part is done. We will just give it time to dry in the sun, and I will show at the end the 3 products that we did today. Okay guys, here we go with the top layer, red, and I must focus now. So I will do a part of the outside, and then I will a little bit continue and bring you back, because I need to focus, my friends, to get it evenly and not running off. But it looks very good so far. Let's do another shot here from the top. Okay, I'll continue a bit and bring you back. Okay guys, this is the first coat, and that is about dry to get its first coat of red. Okay guys, I'm going on for the final coat, hopefully, and I will just show you one quick swipe, and then I will put you down because I had to focus. So let's go. Okay, see you now. Okay, more or less like it's something like that. I hope it shine up for you. We will see later. Maybe I need to touch up on the whole thing, maybe. We will see later. Okay, let's tackle the tank next. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me focus a bit. Okay, and there is our tank. I think it looks good. Now everything must get dry, and then we can take a final picture of all together. Okay, just the idea. So from the top of all three, I'll put it in a nice place for us for a final photo. Okay my friends, here is the job for today. Even the nameplate cleaned up very nice. And this is the starting mechanism. This is metallic cast iron. And then this is how the tank look. I think it came out very good. And then the cowling itself doesn't look too bad. I didn't spray the inside, I just cleaned it. It is got still its original paint in, but I think it looked really good. I think at the end I might put a layer of clear lacquer on. We will see, and then it will give it a nice shine. Okay my friends, I hope you like today's video. I think we make a good progress. Here is still more work to do, and this is the ugly and dirty side, still the exhaust, and finish up the engine cleaning, and then the top will be black as well as the exhaust. So that will be in tomorrow's video. And then I'll see you on the next one, friends. See you. Bye bye.